Hey, what's going on, guys? This is just gonna kind of be, I think, like a series sort of. I pulled the engine out of my truck. It's the old 5.0 out of a 1995 Ford F-150. It's been having quite a bit of leaks and like some, coolant leaks and oil leaks. Like, I'm just gonna kind of refresh all the gaskets. But while I'm in here, I think I'm gonna be upgrading the heads and rockers and put a bigger cam in it. Do a little upgrade while I'm in there. So I'm just gonna probably try and turn this into like a little series. First, obviously, I've got to tear this whole thing apart, get all this messy accessory drive taken off, get the big intake off of here, clean up the wires, get them out of here, and then we can start making some progress upgrading this thing maybe. So yeah, here we go. So this isn't really going to be much of like a tutorial, like how to do this, because there's already a lot of great videos out there about that, and I'm by like no means a professional. If you're looking for a channel about this, like how to pull the engine, how to work on the engine, the channel Minute Masters has a lot of stuff covering this engine, and specifically the 5.0 engine out of the OBS series of pickups. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try and put it on time lapse. I'll start trying to pull off all this junk on here. Alright, so just kind of like a little checkup here. I've removed a lot of this stuff here, a lot of like most of the accessories on the accessory part here. I'm now kind of like working on this intake manifold here. I need to make up like a special tool. There's a little Torx bolt like hidden way down there, and you can't get at it like anywhere because it's just kind of hidden back there. So I'm gonna make up a little tool to do that. It uses like a T40 Torx bit. I've removed all the vacuum lines and everything. I need to like probably rework a lot of those because they're cracking and breaking. So yeah, and I removed the smog stuff. I haven't removed the smog stuff on the back of the cylinders yet, or the heads. So I'll probably do that in here. Yeah, and I'll probably put this back on time lapse because this is probably too boring to watch in actual time. Alrighty, so that's probably about where I'm gonna call it for this video. This video is probably around 8 minutes by now. But basically I've removed the intake plenum, I've removed the wiring harness, I've removed most of the stuff on the front here. Yeah, there's the thermostat left to get. But yeah, most everything has been gotten. I still haven't gotten this thing off the back of the blocks, the smog pump stuff. But I'll get to that next time, I think. But yeah, so we're making pretty good progress. We're basically down to just like the basic, like, long block, basically. There's kind of not all that much left. I need to drain the oil, take off these intake manifolds, take the valve covers off, get the heads off, clean this thing up. I'm debating on whether I should paint it or not. I kind of would like to, but I guess that's just kind of depends on what I feel like doing here. I'm thinking I'll probably paint up. I might reuse these original valve covers because I really think that these, they have like the Ford on them, and I think they'd actually look pretty cool if I repaint them like a blue or something, you know, like the Ford blue. So yeah, I'll probably do something like that. Might paint the manifold, but first I think I need to probably start doing some of that more serious performance and like gasket rebuild. I think that's probably the key thing to do here. So yeah, anyways, if you stayed to the end here, thanks for watching, and I will see you in part 2.